Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up or create a new account on Tidal, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.tidal.com and press enter on your keyboard. Tidal is a Norwegian American subscription-based music podcast and video streaming service which offers audio and music videos. To get started and sign up for Tidal from the official site, click the Start Free Trial button at the top right-hand corner. To sign up for a new account, you'll need to provide an email address. Simply go ahead and enter a valid email address you'd like to sign up with in the first text box where it says enter your email or username. Once you type in your email, click Continue. On the next page, it'll ask you to create your password. Create a new password for yourself and make sure to type in the password, which will be easier for you to remember next time. Once you type in your password, confirm the password in the next box by retyping it again. Now, select your date of birth information from the drop-down. Select your month, day, and year. After everything's typed in and you see the sign up button popping up, click it on and choose a subscription for yourself from the tabs displayed at the top and click on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create or sign up for a new account on Tidal. You can now download the application on your computer or your mobile devices and get started. That is how you can easily sign up for a Tidal account. Go ahead and select 3 or more of your favorite artists from the options and click the Continue button at the bottom right. And you'll soon end up in the For You page of Tidal. To log into your Tidal account, first make sure that you've downloaded the Tidal app on a device you're operating with. Once you have it, give it a double click to open. You'll end up in this page where you can see 2 options displayed. One is Sign Up and Login. To log into an account, click the Login button. Now, in the login area that pops up, go ahead and enter your email address or the username that you used while signing up for Tidal. Make sure to type in your information correct if you'd like to log in without any problem. You can also log into your Tidal account with your Facebook, Apple, or your Twitter. Simply select one of these options in order to do so. Once you type in your email, click the Continue button. Now it'll ask you for your password. Enter the password that you created while signing up for Tidal and make sure to type it in correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath the Login button and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. After you are done typing in your credential, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Tidal account quick and easy. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. To change your password for your Tidal account, open up your Tidal application first. Once you open up your account, make sure that you're logged in as well. And from the main For You page of Tidal, go ahead and click on your profile initial at the top left-hand corner. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Now, scroll all the way down but make sure that you are clicked on this Account tab and you'll be able to see an option that says Password. Give it a click, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Go ahead and enter your old password in the first text box that is associated with Tidal accounts. Create a new password on the next field and type it in. Retyping the new password in the last text box just to confirm that you are typing in the correct one. And finally, after you see the update button popping up, give it a click in order to change your password. That is how you can easily change your password for Tidal. Click on Open Tidal in order to open up your application. And now you have successfully changed your password for Tidal. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just changed to. I hope you found the video to be helpful. How to reset your password for your Tidal account if you've forgotten your password during logging in. Start off by opening up your Tidal application from the app drawer. And from the first interface of Tidal, click on the Login button in order to end up in the login area. First, type in your email or your user ID in the first text box that is associated with Tidal account. Once you do that, click the Continue button and you'll be able to see your password box popping up beneath. If you remember your password, you can easily type it in the text box and click the Login button. But if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath. Now, enter your username or your email address on the next pop-up and click the Continue button. You'll be able to receive a verification link that has been sent on your email inbox. So go ahead and open up your email inbox by opening up a web browser. Make sure that you open up the same email that you used while registering for Tidal. You'll be able to receive a reset link on your inbox. Simply give it a click to open, and now click on this link attached to your inbox, which will take you to a new tab. Create your new password that you'd like to reset to in the text box, and once you create your password, reconfirm your password on the next field. Once you create a password and confirm your password, you have an option to log out on all devices. If you've logged in with your Tidal account on any other devices, you can select this option over here and click on the Continue button for your security. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password successfully for Tidal. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to go ahead and enter the new password that you just created. That is how you can easily reset your password for Tidal.com account. If you want to delete and get rid of your Tidal account, then there is no direct way to delete your account, or there is no delete account button within the Tidal application. So you'll need to simply open up your email address and send a request in order to delete your account. Simply open up the email that you registered with Tidal. I'm going to open up a web browser here. Log into your email account. In my case, it's Gmail, so let me click Open My Gmail. Once you open up your Gmail or any other email service provider, click the Compose button. In my case, it's located at the upper left-hand corner. Once you give it a click, you'll be able to see a new message text box popping up. In the recipient text box, go ahead and type in support@tidalhifi.com, and in the subject field, type in Delete My Account. Right where you can see the Compose message text box, go ahead and type in that you would want to delete your account. Simply indicate your request to delete your Tidal account. Finally, click the Send button at the bottom in order to make a request to delete your Tidal account. Now a request has been sent, and you'll be able to find the mail inside the Send option. All you need to do now is to wait for the confirmation from the Tidal team, and you'll be able to delete your account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.